Okay, hopefully my microphone's on now. Alright, so it's Thursday, Friday. Is it Friday? It's Friday. So we're getting into this here. I didn't get the video for Thursday uploaded, so I'll probably do that one and this one at the same time. We're almost at it's about the lunchtime in New York, that lunch hour, that 12 to 1 in New York, where it can kind of get flat and consolidating. So we'll see what this one does. It looks like it's starting to turn around and do another little step up. Is what it's been doing the last few days. It's had a good run down and then come back up a little bit. Although it had one right here too. It came back up, but yeah, we'll see if it passes the top of this one and then keeps going up. We'll do a buy and see what we can get out of that one. If it kind of bounces down, then we might just wait and see. Make sure it's not doing that lunch hour weirdness. Okay, so trying to look at what it's doing here. Looks like it kind of broke down below this one. And then on the 5-minute, it's definitely been a downtrend. Daily, this is looking like a pretty big red bar. The hourly, on the other hand, we're hitting this level right down here again, which yesterday is when it bounced off and went back up. So this could be doing the same thing. And the trend on the shorter time frame has been a small uptrend, although overall it has been a pretty big downtrend. So yesterday though, it kept going back up. So I don't know, we'll see. And it does look actually like it's rejecting right here, so it didn't go too far down. So now we'll wait and see. I'm gonna try to be a little bit more deliberate about my entry here. See if maybe, oh yeah, I guess it like bounced off right there. If it goes down below here, then we might go all the way down here. If it goes back up and goes above this, then we'll enter. I'm just trying to not wait too long and miss everything. Okay, back. So I had to stop recording because I had to go take care of something else, and I ended up actually hitting exit on this because I had to go take something else. I had to go do something else, and I didn't want to just let it go without kind of watching it, which is a shame because I should have left it because it went down pretty good. I wasn't too far from where I exited though. I think my exit was like. It was like right there, so it would have only been a little bit more. But that said, I'm glad that I waited for confirmation of this. I waited for it to come up and then go down one more time, and then waited for this one to close below this, um, which signified to me that it was going to be continuing a downtrend. Now I thought it might come down to like right here and bounce back up, and it did a little bit, but then it came right back down again. And as I was getting on, just before I started this, I saw it kind of do its up and then down again, and I got one more small trade off of it. I probably should have gone down a little bit more, but I don't know, feeling a little bit unsure of the larger moves again. I had some good runs on them the other day, but when I recorded the one for Thursday, that obviously didn't work out. Although I really think that was a victim of timing and circumstance. Although we're in the same time range, and instead of kind of going flat like it was before, it's actually definitely moving. So, but that's two good trades, I think. I'm happy with those. And it brings us up to 755, which means our demo count is up to almost 52.5. And so if we make the 2,500, that's the passing level for some of the prop challenges that I've been looking at, which I've never quite been able to hit. I've done the prop challenges several times, and I'll go up and get close, and then I'll have just a series of bad trades and just dump it. So the objective here, and obviously I've had some bad trades here, and I dumped it when it's like I was down to 1,800 at one point, like below 50, and so the objective with this is all just trying to figure out what I'm doing right and what I'm doing wrong, and seeing if I can get some long-term profitability going here, because this is only day 13 or 14 or something like that. So it's only been a couple of weeks worth. It's not really indicative. Go a month or two and see if we can keep this good, keep this in the plus without losing too much, and keep doing stuff like this where instead of jumping the gun and then seeing this starting to go up and go, okay, we're gonna buy. You wait for that confirmation to go down, and then you get these nice solid trends and you jump in on those. Like even this one, like it looks like it's going to go down again, but we want to wait for it to get below this level right here to really know for sure. But I'm not going to take another trade today because I've made almost 800. It's paper money, but it's still it counts. You got to treat it like it's real. So we're going to preserve that and not play around too much more. And that's the other thing I found, especially when I was doing some of the prop challenges, is I'll make a bunch and then I'll drop my contracts down to something small and just try to play with it, and end up I'll overtrade and I'll end up giving back a good chunk of the profits that I had. I remember on one of them, I was up 300, and so I dropped down to something smaller, and I started playing around with it, thinking well, if I lose a little bit, it's not going to matter because I still have a decent amount of profit, and I should have stopped right there. And instead, what happened was it just ate away at it piece by piece, a little loss, and before I knew it, it was almost gone. And so that obviously wasn't helping any. But yeah, this one seems to be doing okay, and yeah, we'll see where it goes.